issued at the request of the Montana Department of Justice and the Lake County Sheriff's Office. Child's name: Liliana Dawn Marie Big Crane. Child's physical description: 2-year-old Native American female, 2 foot tall, and weighing 36 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Date and time last seen: 7 p.m. on May 18, 2013. Last known location: Polson, Montana. Suspect's name: Jamie Lynn Finley. Suspect's physical description: Native American female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, and weighing 170 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Suspect's vehicle description: Tan 2004 Dodge Durango, Montana. License plate YSL 416. Direction of travel: possibly en route to Hot Springs, Montana. Additional information can be found at www.doj.gov. Contact the Lake County Sheriff's Office at 400-6883-7301 if you have any information that could help find Liliana.